When did you become a blogger?
From the last visit to the studio. Journalist Vienna got mixed up and introduced me as a blogger, so I became one. It turned out to be quite profitable. Now ask me how I became a mover.
So, how did it happen?
It's the fate of those who have read the wrong books, then ended up carrying them on their own backs. Moving is an immigrant's fate.
And what did you do back in Russia?
Postgraduate student at the Department of Applied Math.
Then start a blog about applying simple math to the packing list app.
We remember the example of Roland about the point of moving. Here is a sequel of this story. I think you remember this lady. I hope you are happy with the service.
It's horrible. Many things arrived damaged. Your driver extorted a tip from me.
That's what has really transpired.
I hope you are happy.
You just saved me.
This is my first delivery.
Wish you luck.
And how did it end?
Roland made me return her money and apologize.
Nothing personal, it's part of the business.
A typical example of information zero-sum game. This is the weapon of victory in this war. Voxme Inventory application. Download it to your phone. Let's go serve this lady from scratch. Start writing. So for scratched. Take a picture. Write Sony, Bravia 35B43. Details will prevent the trick with swapping a broken TV. Number 3, box, packed by owner, PBO. Can we close the packing list?
Yes, sir.
Your signature. Are you satisfied with our service?
Yes, I am.
Upload to MFC operation mode. Now is Roland's time. Yes, and what is card expiry date? This magic tool, son, goes for only $600 a year, which will allow you to respect yourself and your craft.
Next installment should be dedicated to prices, please.